Want to verify your age on Roblox without ID or passport? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily verify your age without passport or ID. First thing first, move into your application Roblox. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, move into More at the bottom right. Scroll down and head over to Settings. Move into Account Information. Wait for a while for the page to load. Now in this page you can see, check your age to get more features. Your age has not been verified yet. You can see two different options, continue with camera and continue with ID. So if you do not want to use ID, then all you can do is click on continue with camera. It will be landing you on this page. Now you can read these statements and then click on continue. Follow the on-screen process, take the image or the video, and then your age will be verified. Also, you will get tons of different features. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.